In this video, I will show you an amazing life hack that will make your daily routine so much easier. Take a bottle cap and carefully cut off the top part using a cutter. After cutting, apply glue on the cap and fix the second cut cap onto. Cut the top part of a plastic bottle and fix it into these caps. Now, fix it onto the plastic bottle and fill the bottle properly with water. Now, take plastic bottle caps and mark one of them with a marker. Use an iron soldering tool to make a hole at the marked spot. Now, take a rubber band and tie it around the cap. Apply glue on the cap and fix the second cap onto it. Now, make a hole in the caps using an iron soldering tool and fix a straw into it. Tool is ready. Now tighten the stick into it and hit the target. Take a plastic bottle cap, make a hole in it, and fix a stick into it. Now, attach pins around the sides of the cap. The tool is ready. Now, I spun it to show how it works. Gather the matchsticks and tie them together with a rubber band. Now, take a cane and rub it on sandpaper to separate the top part. Now, fix the matchstick bundle into the cane and set it on fire. Cut off the top part of the plastic bottle. Now, cut a balloon in the middle and stretch it over the cut part of the bottle. Now it's ready. I place small nuts inside it. Cut a rubber band and tie it to both ends of the stick. Now, take a straw, apply glue, and fix it onto the stick. The tool is ready. I inserted the stick into it and set up a target in front. First, cut the glue stick. Now, apply glue to the spinner and fix the glue stick onto it. I have made this mobile stand and also placed a phone on it to show how it works. Take a popsicle stick and cut it in half. Now, take a bottle cap. Apply glue to one side of the stick and fix the bottle cap onto it. Apply glue to the other side of the stick and fix the glue gun onto it. The tool is now ready to use. cut off the cap section of the plastic bottle. Rub the cap section on sandpaper to make it smoother. Now cut it in the middle using a cutter plier. Cut the popsicle stick, apply glue to one side and fix it onto this part. Now apply glue to the other side of the stick and fix it onto this part as well. Now it's ready. It can be attached to any open item to close it. Cut the plastic bottle. Take a small piece of wood, apply glue, and fix the plastic bottle onto it. Now it's ready. Any small item can be placed inside it. Cut the bottom part of the plastic bottle. Now, cut the cap section of the bottle and rub it on sandpaper to make it smooth. Applied glue to the side of the bottom part of the plastic bottle and fixed it onto it. This was a cup I made, and then I also placed a bottle inside it to test it. So, how did you like these ideas and tricks? For more amazing ideas and tricks, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share the videos. Thank you so much.